Hello? Are you looking for a powerful, versatile laptop that serves your work, study, and entertainment needs well? Let's explore the Dell Inspiron 3520, a 15.6-inch touchscreen version, equipped with 12th generation Intel Core i7, 32GB of RAM and up to 1TB SSD, high-speed, super-fast processing, super smooth. This is the Dell Inspiron 3520 laptop, with a large 15.6-inch screen with full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080, supporting touchscreen, very convenient when you need to operate quickly, directly on the screen. The device uses the latest 12th generation Intel Core i7-1255U processor, with 10 cores and 12 threads, ensuring powerful performance, smoothly handling tasks from office, light graphics to programming or processing large data. In particular, the device is upgraded with 32GB of DDR4 RAM, extremely large capacity, helping you open dozens of browser tabs, run multiple software at the same time without worrying about lag. SSD hard drive with a capacity of up to 1TB. Not only helps you boot the device super fast, but also comfortably stores documents, videos, images, heavy software. Numeric keypad, convenient for accountants, office workers, or data entry. Integrated HD webcam, clear video calling, online learning. SD card reader, easily copy photos, data from cameras, phones. HDMI port, easy connection to external monitors, projectors. Dual band Wi-Fi, stable, fast internet connection. Genuine Windows 11 home operating system, modern interface, high security. The Dell Inspiron 3520 has a sophisticated, sturdy design, strong, luxurious black color. Lightweight, easy to carry when going to school, work, business trips. If you are a technology student, office worker, programmer, or someone who often multitasks, this is the perfect choice. Strong configuration, smooth processing. 32GB RAM, unlimited multitasking. 1TB SSD, comfortable storage, high speed. Touch screen, convenient, modern. Limited quantity. Quickly order today to own this Dell Inspiron 3520 with huge configuration at a great discount price. Please click here. Thank you.